So, if you're struggling to find the perfect font for your project in Cricut Design Space, I've got a game changing solution for you. So, for instance, I am working on a special project for a friend who's a cat lover, but I couldn't find exactly what I needed on Cricut Design Space. So, that's when I head over to Creative Fabrica, which is my absolute go to for all things design. It's got everything I need in one spot. So I'm looking for a decorative font, and here you'll find a wide variety of options perfect for any project. So whether you're after a Halloween theme, back to school fonts, or anything in between, Creative Fabrica has it all. So for this project, I'm going with a Cat Night font. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And what's great about Creative Fabrica is that with the yearly subscription, you get a commercial license, which means you can not only create projects for your family, but also use these designs to start and grow a business. So once you've chosen that font you like, simply click on download and it will save as a zip file. Well, to access it, just click on the folder and then right click and then select extract all, and a new folder will appear where you can view and install your files. And next, open that folder, click install, and once it's done, you can go ahead and close that window. And then now head back to your Cricut Design Space. And if you don't see your font right away, don't worry. You can either reload your Cricut Design Space or close and reopen it. So once you're back in, just type in your project text, go to the font selection and hover over the system font and type in cat since that's what I chose. So there you have it. Your new font is ready to be used for your next project. Enjoy!